Welcome to Roswell Toyota. Please enjoy this video.
We are pleased to show you the 2009 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, driver airbag, side airbags, passenger airbag, cruise control, climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here at Roswell Toyota, we enjoy the challenge of meeting and exceeding those standards with each and every customer committed to excellence. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you and strive for customer satisfaction. Come by and see us at 2211 West 2nd Street, Roswell, New Mexico, 88201.